Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Notion on phone. First thing you should do is simply download the application from Play Store, and to do that you can simply go to the App Store. Then you should go to the search bar and type Notion, and after that you'll have to download this type of application, this one right here. And after that you should now go and open it, and once you open the application it will show you here that you have to log in. So I'm going to click on continue with Google, and after that it will show you here some options. It will ask you how do you want to use Notion. I'm gonna use it for my personal use, for example. Then click on continue, and after that it will ask you what are some areas of interest. I'm gonna choose habit tracking, to-do list, hobbies, food and nutrition, career building, project tracking, and so on. And after that you can simply click on continue, then click on continue again. It will show you some steps in order to use the application. And now once you open this page, now here on the top you will find your email, and on the bottom here you will find some options. So click on the first option on the bottom right corner, then it will show you this page. Now you can simply create any page that you want. I'm gonna name it Zane, for example. Then I'm gonna click on done, and here as you can see I have my own folder. You can go to these three dots on the top, you can export this document or customize the page, and so on. Now here when you scroll down you'll find here some things that you can actually use, like the habit tracker, the weekly to-do list, meal planner, job application tracking, and so on. You can also click on browse templates right here in order to see more templates and how they actually look. And here as you can see you will have the search bar. You can search for any type of template that you need, or you can simply click on live, for example. Click on these categories on the top and choose whatever thing that is suitable for you. And you can also find here this section, school, if you want to make an assignment tracker, for example. If you want to make study planner, colleague planner, schedule your lectures or something like that, to do list. You have here many templates. You can use whatever thing that you need. I'm gonna choose something like simple to do list, for example. I'm gonna click on this option right here, or you can simply click on quick notes. Now you can simply click on use template if you like this template and want to use it. Now you can do some adjustments. Let's say that you want to go and buy something specifically. You can simply click on book recommendation, for example, and set the date. And after that you can set the reminder if you want it 1 day before, 2 days before, 1 week before, and so on. You can also click on include time in order to add the exact time. You can also click on end date in order to, make yourself a date span or a time span from the start to the end. And after you finish you can simply click on done, and you can also click on new right here in order to add something new or add a new page. You can go back and click on add filter if you want to filter by name, date, or tags. And as I said, you can click on new page and add something new. Let's say sports, for example. This is a quick note for my sports goals or my sports schedule, for example. Then you can go back, and here you will find the sports right here. Here you have the idea section, here you have the reminder, here you have the notes. So you can simply choose any one of these, then click on any one of these things right here in order to make it as an idea or note or reminder. So I'm gonna click on a reminder, and I'm gonna make it just for reminding me for my sports activity. You can also delete the page if you want by clicking on these three dots and click on move to trash right here. You can also duplicate it, customize the page, add it to favorite, copy link, and so on. And after you finish you can simply click on done, and when you go right here you will find here in the jump back in, you can name it any name, and you can open the recent templates that you have used by going to this home page right here. And that is it. You can simply navigate to all of these templates and try each one of them. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new video.